It's on. So, hi everyone. I was asked to talk during my burping videos, and that's not a problem because I like to talk. I didn't know if you guys wanted to hear me talk. I guess we'll see. About everything, like my day, what's going on in my life. So as you guys know, I'm leaving. Whoa, how would you know that I'm leaving work? And I have a long drive usually when I'm on my way going home. So it's a perfect time to make a video and speak to you guys. So, I want you guys to know that I will still be doing mukbangs. So, can you see me? I will still be doing mukbangs. On my Garlic Queen 81 channel, and I will. Okay, so here's the thing. You guys see my pictures. I make sure I put my pictures up because I'm usually like really dolled up. This week has been a very busy week for me, so I haven't been able to get to the places that I need to get to get my hair done. So if anybody want to come and just like take me to get my hair done and stuff, please force me to go. It's Friday, so I will make sure I get my hair done and be all pretty for you guys. But anyway, totally forgot what I was talking about. I totally forgot what I was talking. Oh, mukbangs. Right. So I will still be doing mukbangs. Unfortunately, my laptop broke. It fell and the screen broke. So right now I just gotta go pick it up from Apple. I bought some really good food to eat with you guys that's gonna have you like, holy crap. But also I'm going to be eating and burping, and you guys know when I eat, the burping starts. So look out for that. Also, come join me on my new channel, She Burps For You. Come visit me on my new channel, She Burps For You. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're gonna look at me, if you're gonna watch my videos on Garlic Queen 81, subscribe. Make sure you like my videos. I want to do more videos for you guys. But also go over to She Burps For You. It's only gonna be about burping, talking, and things of that sort. Okay? So I really, and just talking to me. But I want you guys to let me know, what about burping makes you want to watch it? Like, what about it? Like, how does it make you feel? Is it something that you feel like just helps you to release? Because everybody has that one thing that makes them feel a certain type of way. Like, everybody has, like, I like to listen to rain. I like to listen to thunder and lightning and things of that sort. But I don't know what you guys like about the burping. Tell me what you like about it. Let me know, how it makes you feel. I really would appreciate that. So, but I appreciate you guys always coming by and, showing me love. Every time I stop at a red light, I just want to let you guys know I'm looking at you now. When I'm driving, I'm not able to look. So, ooh, excuse me. But yeah, so I appreciate everyone who started to follow me. Now I appreciate it. I used to think that this was something, my burping was something that was abnormal, but I just learned to love myself, and if this is what's gonna happen, this is what happens. And I'm glad that there are people that like to hear me burp. And I was told one day, I was just in the store, and this guy, I just had finished eating something, and this guy was like, well, he heard me burp, and I was all dolled up, looking real pretty, and he was just like, that was the most sexiest thing I've ever heard in my life before. And I was just like, really? And I mean, I love me already, but it just was something that really felt good to hear, that there was somebody that appreciated my belching just as much as I do, because it releases whatever is in my stomach that needs some room, but it also is relaxing. I don't know, that's just my weird take on it. What do you guys think? Yeah, so it is what it is. Today has been a long day. It's Friday, but it still feels like there's more to do. Why is this guy like totally... Yeah, it's Friday, but I still have a lot of things to do, even though it's Friday. But I will definitely be doing some things this weekend. I like to do different things. And somebody asked me, do I get the hiccups? Hiccups happen for me sometimes, not all the time, but it definitely happens for me. I guess that's a good day. And so it depends, it just depends. I don't know what causes me to get the hiccups sometimes when I'm belching, but it definitely happens. Can you guys see me over there? Can you see me? So it definitely happens. I don't know where it comes from, especially not the hiccups. I know where the burps come from, but yes, I do get the hiccups every now and then. Hopefully when I'm filming one night or one day, you guys will be able to hear my lovely hiccups. I wish I could make it happen on demand, but I can't. I cannot. It's such a nice day. Fall is my favorite season. It is the best season ever, because you don't have to wear too heavy clothes, but you put on a little jacket. They call this weather cuffing weather. You gotta get booed up, lay in the bed with somebody that lays out some real good burps for you, and snuggle on up. So yeah, it's cuffing season. You get all cozy with somebody. This is a really good time of the year, at least for me. I love it. Not too hot, not too cold. Like I said, perfect weather. But anyway, I just wanted to come by and say hello. Come by and tell you guys, if you're watching, please like and subscribe. Don't forget. But also, mukbangs are coming within the next week. Ooh. So make sure you guys